In the past 2 years, the economy of our country has been badly hit from COVID. Some lose their jobs, some lose their income. Many of us are faced with financial difficulties. Many of us lost our beloved ones. Some are unable to travel overseas to meet their families who are far away. All this has left us all broken, confused, and longing for a brighter future. In the midst of all the fear and sadness, many of us fight on. Despite this blow, we have pulled through and established a solid public health system through dedicated healthcare staff and volunteers across all levels, as well as strong ties with neighboring countries. We are now stronger than ever to face the challenges of pandemic. We are grateful for all that Singapore has given us: safety, a home, and opportunity to pursue our dreams.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
Stronger together.
Stronger together. Happy birthday, Singapore.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.